Hey YouTubers, Mo here from Mo's Motorcycle Journey. Well, we're gonna change this front tire out today. She's definitely got her time in. Of course, both tires were 5 years old when I got the bike. She's got some tread here, but she's got a nice flat spot there. So I'm going to change this tire out. I'll tell you a little thing that I'm experiencing after I've done my rear tire. After I did my rear tire, what I'm dealing with now is a little bit of sway at 80 mile an hour or above. Of course, a lot of people don't run 80, but I do on this thing. But I got a little bit of a sway with it, and I'm thinking it's this front tire. It's a little cupped, and I think it just needs to be replaced. It's 5 years old. So this replacement, I'm not going to really use a lot of tools. I do got my lift on there. However, I'm going to use the zip tie method to see if that works a little better than when I did my back tire. So stick around, start the intro. Okay, I removed the fender. Now I got to do a little bit more to get this off. There are YouTube videos on how to properly remove this tire. I'm not going to show everything, of course. I'm more focused on taking the tire off. So once we get the tire off, I'll show you the zip tie method on how to change a tire with the zip ties. I've never done it before, but we're going to give her a shot. But let's see if we can get this off without any problems. Let's keep moving. Okay, as you can see, we got it off. A lot of people tell you that you have to take your brake calipers off. All I did was loosen up this one and slide it over, and the wheel slid out. So it just really depends on the person doing it. But anyways, so let me point out, you have different spacers inside your front wheel. So these spacers go right in on the axle. You have different sizes. The other size is right there. So make sure you do not confuse those. That will give you a rough time, I should say. A bad ride, maybe. But yeah, let's get this air out of this tire and see if we can zip tie method this thing. Here we go. Gotta make sure I do this carefully because I don't want to lose my stem. The stem pop up and be gone. Ooh. Got it. Right there. Okay, let's see what we can do here. I'm gonna have to break the bead, but we'll see if the zip tie method works, and if it does, I'm going to show you guys the whole process. So here we go. Okay, well, we got her zip tied. I say on line to close it as much as you can. I think I got pretty good. 1, 2, 3, 4. I only used 5. I should have used a little bit more, but I want to save some to put the other tire on. So let's see if we can get this puppy to slide off. Actually, with the zip ties, it's not that bad. I mean, those are just little marks. They're not in the aluminum. It's just in the dirt. But she's actually popping up. So, I mean, that takes it a lot easier than getting both beads off, because both beads come off at one time, which is actually kind of interesting. So let me keep working this around. So it actually just, you can actually just walk this thing right off. That is actually really interesting. I like the zip tie method. Okay, let me keep poking at her. Literally just took my tire iron and just kept working it, and she slowly lifted up. I think she's probably ready to, there we go. That is awesome, guys. Sure beats putting a tire iron on the damn thing. So now we'll get the other tire, clean this one up, get her nice and sparkly, but we'll, oh, I'm starting to break a sweat. I think I can probably reuse these zip ties too, so I'm going to try that. But yeah, I'm going to clean that room up and get this other tire on here. That is amazing, guys. I've never tried it before, but I've seen enough videos on it, so I figured, what the heck, give it a shot. So let me do a little bit of cleaning, and I'll get this other rim, or this other tire, and we'll get ready to put that on. Okay, we got the new tire. I can't really read what size that is. 130/70/18. You know, I never did check to make sure it was the right size. Before I took my other one off, luckily it's the right one. But let's see if we can find a DOT number. We'll know when this tire was manufactured, and I'm not seeing it. It should be on here somewhere. There it is. Ooh, I don't know if you'd be able to see that, but the 7th week of 2021. So February, March, April, May, June, July. So it's 4 months old. All right, so we're gonna zip tie this thing down and see if we can slide it on that rim. Okay, I'm gonna use my other tire to stabilize the rim, and I ran out of zip ties, which is probably not good. I only got 4 on this tire, which is probably not good, but we will soon find out how this is going to work. Maybe I should flip that around so I know where my valve stem mark is. So yeah, let me do that. Okay, I sprayed down that side of the tire. We're going to see if we can slide it on the rim. Spray this side down. You just gotta manipulate it in there. with the hook. Oh, it ain't gonna work. Almost. Got one side on. Are you kidding me? That was a hell of a lot easier than doing it the other way. Okay, so now we just gotta cut our zip ties. Find my needle nose. What we do with them? Let's use this paradise. Easier. Finally. Okay, guys. Lined up. Going the right way. Let's get our air compressor up and charge her up. See if we're going to be able to put some air in this thing. Wipe her down. I can't believe how easy that was to do. It was a lot easier than taking it off with a bunch of tire irons and messing up my rim, putting little gouges in it. So if you guys have never tried the zip tie theory, I would definitely recommend it. Okay, so now we're trying to balance it. God dang mosquitoes out here. Sprayed my yard down, still got them. So we're gonna go ahead and give this thing a balance, see what she does. She looks pretty good already. I mean, she's not running all crazy. Let's stop it and see what she does. Oh, there she goes. No! Did I feel a raindrop? That's not good. So, let's get our weights out and see if we can balance this thing up. Okay, so we got her on. And like I said, it says to remove both calipers. I removed this one, and then I just popped my brakes back out. It was just a lot easier to do it that way instead of take everything off and hang it up. And I mean, y'all can do what you want to do. It's personal preference. Okay, guys, got her on. Brand new rubber on the front. A week ago, I did brand new rubber on the rear. Oh, was it a week? Maybe it's been 2 weeks now. Yeah, I guess it's been 2 weekends. So, but I would definitely recommend the zip tie method. It worked excellent, and it was really easy. So I recommend doing that. Of course, use more than 4 zip ties. It'll probably be a little easier, but I barely even used that thing, the tire machine that I purchased from Harbor Freight. But she's good. She's good to go. Like I said, the only thing that could go wrong with this thing now is either I crash it or fuel pump goes out. That's the only thing I have not done. But anyways, guys, if you like the videos, subscribe. I always got something cooking. A lot of maintenance that I've done on this thing. If you hit the little bell icon, you'll get every video that I upload. Other than that, hey, thanks for watching. That was the front tire removal and installation with zip ties. Definitely worth doing. Really easy to do, a lot easier than what I did on my back tire. But again, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for all the people that have subscribed. I got more coming at you, so just hang in there. But thanks for tuning in. You guys have a good one. Have a wonderful Sunday. Oh, and that was a 2.5 hour job. 2.5 hours in the tire, and that's complete take off and put on. So, and the tire's back on, everything's torqued down. 2.5 hours. A lot quicker than the dealer. Again, thanks for watching.